So let's take this challenge. MuleSoft Integration Architect I Certification Maintenance Spring 25. So these are the quiz we need to answer them. The first question is the MuleSoft AI chain project was developed to provide which benefits? So the answer is A and B. What is the MuleSoft AI chain connector? Answer is a component used to integrate advanced AI services into MuleSoft applications. MuleSoft usage-based pricing is based on which metrics? So the answer is the number of integration flows deployed or messages across those flows. What's a practical application of AnyPoint usage reports? The answer is analyzing cost factors to optimize resource allocation. What capabilities does the Runtime Fabric usage dashboard include? Drill down options to view business units and environment, and core based tracking with metrics for Runtime Fabric application deployment. What's the primary advantage of using Hyperforce to deploy MuleSoft apps? Location of control and runtime planes within the same region. Which control plane URL must be configured in the AnyPoint Studio UI to deploy Mule apps in the APAC location? jp1.platform.mulesoft.com. What is the default cloud setting when selecting the control plane for a desktop integrated development environment (IDE)? US Cloud.